Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to see how to use ASP.NET DetailsView Control. In this first video of the sub-series, we will get introduced to the DetailsView Control, and we will create a simple example that will give you an idea of how to work with the DetailsView Control. The DetailsView Control allows us to paginate through the data items. So here, data item in the sense, here we are talking about the records. In the previous video, we already saw the grid view control. Grid view control can display multiple records in one page. Here in detail view control, we can display single record in a page, and we can paginate through the records by navigating the pages. So DetailsView renders an HTML table which displays a single database record. So unlike data grid view, here we will be displaying only one record in a tabular format. That means we will paginate through the record one by one. So single database record means we have the ability to work with a single data record at a time. That means if a table contains, say for example, 4 records, right? The detail view will pick one record and displays that in a tabular format. Let's state that it has a 3 column. Then we will be having a single record displayed in a tabular format, and you can navigate between these records through the pagination. Now let's create a basic example to get introduced to DetailsView, and that will give you more picture about DetailsView and how it is organizing the records. Alright, now let's go to the demo. We will create a new project for DetailsView. And C demo is the folder, and here we can create demo DetailsView. So the project is created. We will create a web form. Right, Visual C++ web, and we will name it as dv01 one record view, and that's the web form we are adding to our project. Next, we will switch to the design tab. Then we will go to toolbox, and from data group we will drag and drop SQL data source, and we will move to configure data source. So the data connection is created for pubsdb. We'll go to next, and we will accept the default here, and we will click employee table here. So that's all. We picked some sample column from employee table of the PUBS database. We saw multiple times how to configure SQL data source in this ASP.NET course. So here, if you see, we just picked some data and we will configure this with our DetailView control. Now we will drag and drop the DetailView control here, and we will pick our SQL data source, which will supply the data for this DetailView control. We will also ask for enable paging, and in the auto format we will choose classic format, and we will apply OK. So let's expand this for a better view. That's all. We will save this. And view in browser. So here, if you see here, we are displaying the employee data, and if you see in one page, we see only one record, right? And you can navigate between these records: employee ID, first name, middle int, last name, and the hire date. In grid view, we saw the records are displayed in tabular format. Right, you can navigate between multiple records. So that's the use of a detail view. So in data grid view, multiple records will be displayed in one page, and here in detail view, the columns are arranged horizontally, and you will be seeing the data for the column. So it's a one record view. That's why we named it as one record view, that is achieved through the detail view control. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.